Ma'am, it was very informative and it was really nice to know that there's such game out there and we hardly knew that there is such informative game and it consists of fun and informative, so it's really nice to know about it.
Ma'am, I work as a faculty at Samvaad Institute. What I felt is like, since we are working in a disability sector itself, so for us itself it was very fun and it was kind of an educative one. And I feel this is a kind of an easy and in a fun way we can educate the individuals for apart from the disability sector also can get to learn many more things from this. I think along with these cards to be used with the students, I feel the same can be applied to even common people as well. So it's an easy way and a fun way to understand what exactly is the disability sector about. And it's like along with the fun way, there are a lot to learn.
Hi ma'am, my name is Aini. Ma'am, it was really fun playing these games, and we learned a lot of things that we didn't knew, and it was very informative the game, and it's a great opportunity for let others also know about the disabilities and all. So it's a thank you for introducing the game to us also, ma'am.